Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
I need the Infiniti.
What's going on?
Think about going to California.
What? You see it? Right there. Right there. That's the spot where my heart broke a little bit. I mean, I knew it was coming. He had talked about going to California, but we're talking 2,100 miles. So no more pop-in visits. I knew this move was coming one day. You see, number one, I call him number one because he's my number one son, but number one's an actor and an improv comedian. He's busy in Atlanta 4 or 5 nights a week doing improv comedy, and he's worked with a lot of people, and that guy from Whose Line Is It Anyway, Colin. But I mean, he's been in a lot of stuff. He's been in Walking Dead.
Just shut the hell up and listen for a second.
He's been in She-Hulk,
She-Hulk, can we get a word? Is it true you were rejected by the Avengers?
The Resident.
It's you, Doc, rocking that suit.
He did a short film called Bad Trick.
They call it microdosing.
Wait, I thought you said you were alone.
Yeah?
And who's that?
Oh, shit.
He's also in a Star Wars fan film called Scorekeeper.
Major, you're gonna want to come take a look at this.
Yeah, he was good in that, but he gets killed though. Anyway, I'm gonna miss him.
Oh. All right, I'll do what I can to get it ready.
The Infiniti. That's the car that's been sitting in my driveway racking up parking fees.
See you. Bye.
You guys have no idea what kind of shape this car is in. ...2003 Infiniti G35 with over 223,000 miles on it. It was parked because it needed a starter. The starter was replaced when the check engine light was on. He had a backup car, so it was like not a priority, and really not a priority for almost 2.5 years. Car always ran good, so my task is the basics. Got a new starter, talking battery, we're talking brakes, we're talking fluids, oil change, transmission fluid, filter change, air filter, tires, general maintenance. Like I said, the car runs good, so I have no doubt that it would make the trip. Hopefully. But get to it. Okay, so on to wheels and tires. You saw me pressure washing. Did I need black wheels? No, but when you pressure wash an aluminum wheel and you can't get the stains off, what do? You take it to your buddy Scoggins and have the wheels powder coated black, and every car looks good with black wheels when it's silver or any other color. So I got black wheels. It's just me. So there. I got my brakes done, I got my wheels and tires on, I'm backing out of the garage, getting ready to go bed in the brakes, pedal goes to the floor. I gotta go back in the shop, Turns out I got a bad master cylinder. I got to get the fluid out of the master cylinder, replace the master cylinder, refill it, and do what? Bleed the brakes. Again.
Jeez. Clean that out down in there.
Tighten up his front bumper and put his reflector back in. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I did fix that dent in the rear bumper, even though I didn't show it. If you're paying attention at the beginning of the video, you might have noticed that the faceplate was missing on the radio. Me and number one, we did replace that radio, so I can't imagine driving across country without any tunes.
Well, I think everything's taken care of, so drop me a location pin along the way. Stay careful. Love you.